Bye to LA.
Good riddance.
Babe? Did you go to jail? Albuquerque.
Hello, Arkansas.
Here's Johnny.
You're right there.
Raceland. Brian and I are getting dressed up tonight after days of packing to go and have what we're calling our last supper here in Hollywood. We're going to Musso and Frank's, which is an old Hollywood establishment that's been open since, I think, the 1920s. A whole bunch of famous people have been there, and it's just a really lovely place to celebrate something special. We're going to celebrate the end of our era here in Hollywood, maybe get some nice old-fashioned martinis and toast to what we hope is going to be a wonderful future. Brian's in his bathroom getting ready as well. I wonder how he's doing. You doing okay, babe?
Like that, baby, I'm a big deal. I got it like that.
Sometimes Brian takes longer than me to get ready. Babe?
The last thing I put on anytime I leave the house is this ring that's very special to me. Lana got this for me when we were in San Gimignano. We were in Italy for her birthday last year. It's kind of the best ring ever. Even better than the one ring to rule them all. It's also just a really cute ring.
Well, I am ready. Gonna put my dress on and go see how Brian's doing. Ready to go, babe? Babe?
Hey! Hey! Sorry. You ready? Ready to go?
Yeah.
You okay? You look scared.
Yeah, okay.
Musso and Frank's, just a quick walk from our apartment, what will soon be our former apartment.
They hooked us up with Jack Nicholson's booth. Like, what?
Brian told them we were moving and bought a house. The host said, well, I'm going to put you in Jack Nicholson's booth. Oh, cool.
That's awesome.
Here's Johnny. Gorgeous.
What are you having? These are mine.
We closed on our house,
We did it.
and this is our last night in Hollywood.
We're gonna miss you, Hollywood.
Will we, though? Cheers, my love,
Cheers, baby.
to our new beginning,
So we're gonna get dinner.
to goats and
Goats and chickens.
We were dealing with moving truck stuff until 3 a.m. last night.
It's wild. Good times, good times.
So tired. We slept on the floor in an air mattress. But we are done. We have this last little load, this sweet big load named Teddy.
So ready for the new life? Farm dog?
We are about to begin our road trip and say goodbye to LA.
Good riddance.
See you on the road.
backing out of this parking lot. We will never have to back out again.
Never again.
First leg of our journey, driving out of Los Angeles,
Enjoying some lovely traffic for the last time.
passing Universal Studios, au revoir,
Well, I actually will miss you, Universal City, but that's okay.
Halloween Horror Nights. Good
Good
stuff.
times, good times.
We're gonna make our own haunted house in our cornfields.
Hell yeah.
Oh look, traffic.
Oh, look at that.
How do we feel about LA traffic? Do we
I
love
don't
it?
like it.
Are we?
I don't
are we
like
tired
it one
of it?
bit. Yeah.
But guess what? We're leaving.
Woo! Get on out of here.
I wanna wander out of the valley where the river takes us far away from home. Time to ponder in the fields around me where there's nothing but the breeze and the great unknown. Leave your worries and your suitcase. All you don't need, nothing but you. So don't throw your hopes down a wishing well. It's your heart's desire carry you.
Hey Brian.
Yeah.
Alabama, Alaska, Arizona, Arkansas, California, Colorado, Connecticut, Delaware, Florida, Georgia, Hawaii, Idaho, Illinois, Indiana, Iowa, Kansas, Kentucky, Louisiana, Maine, Maryland, Massachusetts, Michigan, Minnesota, Mississippi, Missouri, Montana, Nebraska, Nevada, New Hampshire, New Jersey, New Mexico, New York, North Carolina, North Dakota, Ohio, Oklahoma, Oregon, Pennsylvania, Rhode Island, South Carolina, South Dakota, Tennessee, Texas, Utah, Vermont, Virginia, Washington, West Virginia, Wisconsin, Wyoming.
Yeah, I said it first, but it was before we started filming.
Silence. Oh, we'll keep running and we'll keep running. Throw your hopes down a wishing well. It's your heart's desire.
She's the best mom, right?
Yeah.
Leave your worries and your suitcase. All you don't need, nothing but you.
Yeah, it's waiting to pick up the next batch of criminals. You know, they've been bringing that moonshine in.
And did not do it again.
Got to put them in the jail. Did you go to jail? Were you a bad dog?
Making our way through Arizona right now.
Arizona.
Arizona. Coming up to the border of New Mexico, so we're getting there.
We are getting there.
Stopping in Albuquerque.
Albuquerque.
Before
Albuquerque.
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 Texas. No.
We made it. Our
Second stop.
second stop. We are in New Mexico. We made it to Albuquerque. We're driving tomorrow.
Oh yeah, another 8 hours.
We're gonna try some green chilies, maybe fry bread,
Feeling crazy.
some salsa. We're at a Mexican cantina because we haven't killed each other yet.
Couldn't tell already.
deal, but it's time to go to Texas.
Coming in hot, Longhorns.
We are just about to cross the border.
There it is.
Oh my God, here we go. Howdy, partner.
Well, howdy. Oh, damn. Just made it to Oklahoma City. I think that's where we are, right? Or where we are.
Yes, home of the famous Thunder basketball team. We are exhausted. So much driving.
Much 3 days straight on the road.
Texas was very flat. Oklahoma was also very flat. It's late, but we're gonna get a little bite to eat for dinner.
It's gonna be great.
Do it all over again tomorrow, but this time going to Memphis, Tennessee.
How old are you? Goodbye, Oklahoma. Hello, Arkansas.
The natural state.
Yeah.
We have finished Arkansas. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Now, my friends,
Memphis, Tennessee, home of Elvis Presley,
Home of the king.
the king.
and we're gonna stay in Graceland.
Woo!
Oh my gosh, here's the sign. We're going in. We're going in.
You ain't nothing but a... Bruh.
Approaching Graceland.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Thank you very much.
The guest house at Graceland.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. We're just about to leave Tennessee and enter our new home state. What'd you think about Tennessee, baby? It was a state.
Y'all, we are coming to the end of our 5th straight day driving. Right now, we are driving through the Appalachian Mountains in Tennessee, and it is actually stunning. Oh, here we go!
We're about to exit Tennessee.
So long, Tennessee!
So long!
Hello to our new home state!
Oh, you son of a actual...
No.
Actual...
I can
that's
sort
it.
of see it.
That's it.
I
Welcome
can see
to
it.
North Carolina. I saw it. I saw it. There it goes.
We
made it to North Carolina!
8 states.
Count 'em 8.
States. Sanity intact.
Totally. That's the look of sanity right there.
It feels so good to be where there are trees and the land is green. We are exhausted
Getting back tomorrow, we'll have the day to get started.
and blow up our air mattress because our furniture is not going to be arriving for longer than we expected.
God knows when.
Thank you, moving company.
Thank you, moving company.
Tomorrow, we get to walk into our front door and say we're home. We had a lovely evening in Asheville, North Carolina, and a very delicious brunch. We are finally on our way home.
We're so close.
2.5 hours, and we will be in Greensboro.
It's crazy. Been in the car for a total of 37 hours in the last 5 days.
We still love each other.
Never been more in love with you, man.
Let's go home.
Let's do it. Go now.
As soon as I crept into
1 hour
Here it is!
Greensboro!
with warmth and life, sounds of birds in harmony, and you there right next to me.
We're here, baby!
Okay, baby.
We're going to the
We're home.
That's it, baby.
We're home.
Oh my god.
Through all the storms and by your side, through days of warmth and by your side, like the stars and the moon in the night sky.
We're home. I'm so tired.
I know I am too.
Daddy! Let's go home.
Let's go, buddy.
And by your side. Through all the storms and by your side, through days of warmth and by your side, like the stars and the moon in the nighttime sky, and by your side.